Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, you will see a very pretty earring idea. I never thought it would come out so well, so I really hope you all like it too. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin.
Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I can't help but be need of us two. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on, on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on, on and on and on. In your eyes or your body, you don't have to tell me you don't care. I just need you to hold me. I just need you to show me anything. Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I can't help but be need of us two. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on, on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on, on and on and on. It goes.
Hello guys, so I hope you like the idea. I'm wearing it now so you all can see how it looks. So I just loved it. I never thought it would come out so well. So you all let me know how much, like, what's your rating for this of out of 10. So yes, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.